In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook. Pinning is a simple way to keep an important message right where you can see it, at the very top of your inbox, so it doesn't get buried as new mail comes in. Whether you are on the desktop app, the web, or your mobile device, the process is quick and consistent. Start by opening Outlook and navigating to your inbox. Make sure you are looking at the main inbox view rather than a subfolder, so the pin will place your email at the top where you expect it. Now locate the specific email you want to keep handy. If your inbox is busy, take a moment to scan for the sender or subject line, or use the search bar to surface the message you have in mind. The goal here is simply to identify the message you want to prioritize. Next, move your mouse cursor over that email if you are on desktop or web. As you hover, a row of quick action icons will appear on the message line. On mobile, tap and hold the email briefly to reveal the same set of options. Among these icons, you'll see a small gray thumbtack. This is the pin icon. Go ahead and click the gray thumbtack. On mobile, tap the pin icon after it appears. You don't need to open the email first. Pinning works right from the list view, which makes it fast and efficient. If you don't see the icon immediately, adjust your hover slightly on desktop or hold for a moment longer on mobile. Icons often appear contextually to keep the inbox clean until you need them. Once you click or tap the pin icon, Outlook will confirm the action visually. The email will jump to the very top of your inbox and display a pin indicator showing it's now fixed in place. From here on out, it will stay at the top of your inbox, even as new messages arrive, so you can return to it easily whenever you need. This doesn't change whether the message is read or unread. It simply elevates its position for quick access. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.